Look on you.
580, 480, 380, 280, 180.
Wish they turn off the light.
How is it my glow stick? My glow stick's not there. This is your glow stick, Tyler. Oh my god! Is this people wiggling? That is loud!
This fireworks. Oh, y'all turn those light off. You'll be okay. I promise. You'll be okay. There's nothing I can do about it, buddy.
Wow. And that's like dancing fairies.
It's fireworks.
If you're scared of fireworks, why did you want to come? If you didn't want like the noise, why did you come?
Patrick! Come here! Come here! No, come here! Ryan, he wants you. Ryan, he wants you.
Oh, crap!
That's not loud. It's not. You're gonna get us. What else is there, buddy?
Because this is right beside the light.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's not. It's not gonna hurt you, buddy. I promise. It's not gonna hurt you. Here, just hug my neck.
I think you should send this video to Mama
Hug my
because
neck.
your videos are more clear. Daddy,
Tyler, just go down there with me.
Daddy, since your videos are more clear, you can send the video.
Okay, he's crying. Hug him.
Oh my God!
Patrick, Patrick,
Oh!
it's almost over, buddy.
Probably the finale because it's a bunch of
Yeah!